Okay, so we're going to write the equation of a line going through a given point with a given slope. So there are lots of different forms you can use. I find students are usually the most comfortable with slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So remember, m is where your slope goes, b is going to be your y-intercept. Now in this case we don't have the y-intercept. We do, however, have an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. So we're going to take those and we're going to plug them in for x and y, and we're going to plug our slope in for m, and then we can solve for b. And then putting it all together at the end, we'll get our equation. So y is 1 from our coordinate point. M is our slope, so 4/5. And x is our x-coordinate, which in this case is -5. So I'm plugging all that in so that I can isolate my variable b, which would give me my y-intercept. I'm going to simplify here by multiplying through. So here when I multiplied, I would do 4 times -5, which would be -20, and then that would still be over 5. Essentially this is over 1, and I multiply straight across. Is what really I'm doing here. And then plus b. Well, let's get rid of this fraction, right? So -20 divided by 5 is really -4. And then I can very easily see this is a simple one-step equation here to solve for b. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. I get 5 equals b. So now I have my y-intercept. I have my slope from the original problem up here. So I'm just going to plug that back in into y equals mx plus b, right? Plugging m in for my slope. So y equals 4/5 x. And then remember, b is that value I solved for over here, my y-intercept. So plus 5. Final answer.